Hello friends, today we are seeing Java inheritance from the programming in Java from of the TYPSC computer science syllabus. See, Java inheritance, it can be defined as the process where one class acquires the properties, methods, fields of another class. With the use of inheritance, the information is made manageable in a hierarchical order. The class which inherits the properties of other is known as a subclass, derived class, child class, and the class whose properties are inherited is known as a superclass, base class, or parent class. See, this inheritance is a natural, is also natural. You can take the example of natural process, parent and child relationship. See, firstly, we will see extends keyword. Extends is the keyword used to inherit the properties of a class. Below is a given syntax of extends keyword. Class super, class sub, extends super. In this way, we can create subclass from the super or extends the properties of parent class. See, sample code is here, class calculation, and in that calculation class, addition and subtraction, these two methods are taken, and my calculation class is taken and it extends from the calculation class, and in that we are taking extra function, that is multiplication. And in main method we are creating my calculation class object, and demo we are calling the definition or methods of calculation class. See how to call it: demo dot addition, demo dot subtraction, and demo dot multiplication. Since how, why we can take the addition and subtraction, this function call from this my calculation class, because these two methods are public in nature, that's why they are accessible outside of that class and those class which is inherited the main class. Then you can get the output of these three different methods here. See here, int z, addition, subtraction, these are the copy of calculation object, and multiplication, this object of my calculation class. Okay, now next point is the super keyword. The super keyword is similar to this keyword. Following are the scenarios where the super keyword is used. It is used to differentiate the members of superclass from the members of subclass if they have same names. If the member class of super and subclass members are same, then they are differentiated by using super keyword, and it is used to invoke the superclass constructor from subclass. See, differentiating members. Now, how to differentiate members? If a class is inheriting the properties of other class, and if the members of superclass have the names same as the subclass, to differentiate these variables we use a super keyword as shown in above syntax. Super dot variable, super dot method, these two syntaxes for using variable and method also. Now see, the sample code for super keyword is where, see, class superclass int num is equal to 20, public void display, some messages printed here of the superclass, and subclass is extends from the superclass, and here num also same variable is its value is 10, and display method is here which is same as per the superclass. Now, how to differentiate in between these two methods? See here, public void my method, in that subclass will be created, instantiated by using new keyword, and sub dot display is called, then super dot display call. It invoke the display method of the super class. That's why super keyword is used here, and the printing statement of the both sub dot num and super dot num are used. That's why this super keyword is used here for distinguishing between the methods and variable of the two different classes. Now see, invoking superclass constructor. Now how to invoke superclass constructor? By using super keyword and into bracket the values. Now example, class superclass integer age superclass, this constructor is here, and it will store the values of age which is the default, and get age function is there. Now subclass is extended from the superclass, and out subclass constructor is written subclass int age, and we call directly the superclass constructor by using super and passing the age in between that parameter. In this way, or by using this syntax, we are calling the constructor of the superclass, and simply below in main method subclass object are created and call that get age function. Now is a relationship. Is a way of saying this object is a type of object. Lesser, so the extends keyword is, see, public class animal, public class mammal extends animal, public class reptile, reptile extends animal, public class dog extend mammal. Means from animal class mammal and reptiles are extended, and from mammal dog class will be extended. See, in this case, see, following are true. Animal is the superclass of mammal class, and it is a superclass of reptile class. Mammal and reptiles are subclass of animal class. Dog is a subclass of both mammal and animal class. So in this case is a relationship. How we can say that mammal is a animal, reptile is a animal, dog is a mammal, hence dog is a animal as well. In this way we can use a is a relationship. Now next point is we can use, that is a types of inheritance. See, there are various types of inheritance are used in the Java. In that, single inheritance is the first type. In that, one class is derived from other class. For example, public class A, and from public class A, B class will be extends. Then multi-level inheritance. In that, one class is derived from one class is derived from other, and those class which is subclass, from that class also third class is derived. In this way, class A is derived by B, B is derived by C. Here instead of class B, C used there. Public class A, public class B extends A, and public class C extends B. That called as a multi-level inheritance. Then hierarchical inheritance. The hierarchical inheritance means what? Class A, from class A both classes are more than two classes are derived, that class B and class C. Public class A, public class B extends A, public class C extends A. Means two classes are derived from a single parent, that is hierarchical inheritance. And multiple inheritance. Multiple means what? One class maybe have more than one parents, that is class A and class C are the parent of class B. This means public class A, public class B, public class C extends AB. Then such type of inheritance does not supported by Java. Means multiple inheritance is not supported in Java, and instead of this multiple inheritance we are arising new concept, that is interfaces in Java. Okay, hope so all of you are understood the meaning of inheritance, types and the example. Thank you so much.